joining me today. It's Evelyn here with YummyFat.com, and today we're making mayonnaise using an immersion blender and avocado oil. To start, our ingredients are avocado oil. We're going to use half a cup of that, a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 egg yolk, and half teaspoon of sea salt. Alright, I've already got my ingredients pre-portioned out, and you want to have your half cup of oil in either a wide mouth mason jar like this or just an immersion blender container. Alright, you're going to let this sink to the bottom, and once that's done, go ahead and add your lemon juice and your sea salt. Alright, now to start, we're going to put this all the way at the bottom, and we're not going to move it until pretty much the entire thing is emulsified. And you're going to see it start at the bottom and work its way up. And then once it is emulsified, then you're going to slowly pull your blender out. Alright, so I just grabbed a spoon, and it is the exact consistency you want your mayo to be. And it's great. It's a great base for spicy chipotle mayo. Any type of mayo you really want to do, you can use this for. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to making more with you.